Hi everybody, I sure hope you had a wonderful weekend and are ready to start doing some more lessons for this long distance learning. I'm going to start today by doing double-digit math addition, and once again we're going to do it different ways, and then you pick what you think is the most comfortable for you. So the first way we're going to do it is hands-on again. And if you remember on my first lesson on addition, I had made a number stick and it had the 12 pumpkin seeds on it. I'm trading this in for just sticks. And so these are going to represent our tens and these will be our ones. And so we're going to do these problems together. And the first way we're going to do it is by hands-on, which is actually these manipulatives. Some of you might have crayons, some might have sticks, rocks, whatever you can find to help you with this. So I have 2 tens here and 4 ones, and I want to add 6 more. Now I know this isn't a double digit, but I want you to understand how you progress to get to a double digit. So if I take these 4 and I add these 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a 10. And so what I will need to do is take all 10 of them, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to exchange these 10 ones for 1 10. And you will now see I have 3 10s and 0 ones. So my answer is 30. That would be the sum of 24 plus 6. Let's try 24 plus 16 now. So here's my 20. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have my 24. I'm going to add 16. So that would be my 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then 16, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now we have our 24 plus our 16. Let's add our ones again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 ones. I need to exchange it for 1 10. Now if you look over here, I used all my ones to make this new 10. So I have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10s, which is 10, 20, 30, 40. So the sum of 24 plus 16 is 40. Our last one on the board is 36 plus 17. So here we go. 1, 2, 3 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. There's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I'm going to add 17, which is 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 3 more seeds. 5, 6, 7. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ones, and so we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, this time I have some left over because 6 and 7 is actually a 13, which is 1, 10, 3, right? Remember, when you take 10 ones, you have to replace it with 1 10. So I'm going to go ahead and place it up here. And now we're going to find our sum. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10s, that would be 50, 51, 52, 53. So the sum of this problem is 53. So that's using the manipulatives, which is hands-on. The next way we can try it is by drawing. Basically all that's doing is, I'm going to take these off so they're not in the way. Instead of having sticks and pumpkin seeds, we're going to draw lines for 10s and circles for 1s. So we have 1 10 2 10, 1 2 3 4 1s plus 6 1s on this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I've got these 6, and when I count 1 2 3 4, these 4 more, I'll have 6 7 8 9 10. Look, they have now become a 10. That's why I looped them. So now I have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s. Yep, 30. Got the same answer. Let's try 24 and 16. 1 10, 2 10, 1 2 3 4. 10 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 1 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Have you noticed sometimes I only put 5 circles and then do another one? Otherwise we get circles all the way up the board, so it's kind of nice to do them in groups of 5. 1 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 1s. This is 16. Remember, you want to add your 1s first, and this is the reason why. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. When I put those together, I get a new 10. So now I have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10s. And there aren't any 1s left over because we used them to make our group of 10. Finally, our last problem. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 1 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take these 6 and go 7 8 9 10. Wow, I have a group of 10. But look, I have some left over that I didn't use to make my 10. And so those are my 1s. 1, 2, 3. See there? And then I have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. Don't forget your new 10, 5 10s. And that's how we get 53. The next way we're going to do these problems is the number bond. And for those of you that didn't know what I was saying when I said New York, I'm talking about the New York math program we use. And I know it's a little different than some of you have learned, but I do think it has some value once again. So here's one of their strategies from that program. You take the smallest number and you circle it. You can break it into 10s and 1s. Well, we really don't have to do that on this one, do we? Because we don't have any 10s. And so This isn't the best problem for that. We can just put 24 in our head and go 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. But here's where it comes in handy. Let's circle our 16, make it as tens and ones. So here's one group of 10 and we have our 6 ones. Remember, the next step is to cross it out, loop together your first number, your bigger number. So that'd be 24. We're gonna go ahead and add the 10. So 2 tens, 4, and one more 10 would be 3 tens, 4. That'd be our 34. But we're not done yet, okay? Because now we have our 34, and we're gonna go up 6 more. So let's put 34 in our head and go up 6 more. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And we have 40. Last problem, 36 and 17. 17's the smaller number, so that's what we're gonna make the bond out of. This is 1 10 and 7 ones. Cross out your 17 because now it's 10 and 7. Loop your 36 and go 10 more. 36 plus 10 equals 3 10 6. 10 more would be 4 10 6. 46. You're gonna start your next problem with 46 and you're gonna add 7 more. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Same sum. And then our final way, once again, those of you that are familiar with algorithms, this is probably the most common for you to learn. So we have 4 and 6, because we always add our ones first. It's a 10, right? And so when it's a 10, you have to think about what a 10 looks like. In this type of math, I like to put my 110 here, and then there's your 0. I like to put it here so the kids remember to add it in. So 2 10s and one more would be 3 10s. One of the problems with using algorithms, the kids forget about that and they'll put 20. That's one of the worries. So make sure they're including their new group of 10. 4 plus 6 was a 10, so 1 10 0. 2 10s, 3 10s. Don't forget this one. That's 4 10s. Our final problem, 6 plus 7 is 13. Think about what a 13 looks like. There's a 3 in the ones place. Make sure you put the 3 in the ones place. Here's your new 10. So here's 13. 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s. And your sum is 53. I also thought it might be special for you to know that you can go on Miss Alea's web page that's on your dojo, and there are other activities. There's actually a place where you can find problems under the math section that you can run for your kids so they can practice some of their facts. Thank you for listening. Bye.